Hello my dear students, welcome to each tutorial. Today is our third class to practice fraction and decimal problems. Let's start with thought. As Paul Holmes said, the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. That's why we are here to practice, to learn and to improve with each problem we tackle. Now students, get ready with your notebook and pen. See you in the next slide. Question number 1. The value of 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4 till 1 minus 1 by 10 is option A 10 by 11, 1 by 9, 1 by 10 and 1 by 2. So students, here we need to solve it with the bracket wise. Let's check in the solution. When we will solve, we have got in the next step 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4 and so on till 8 by 9 and 9 by 10. Here we can see we can cancel out the numerator and denominator easily, like 2 cancel with 2, 3 with 3 and at the last only 1 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator is left, that is 1 by 10 means option C. Question number 2. The vulgar fraction of 0.231 can be expressed as option 229 by 990, 229 by 900, 231 by 1000, 231 by 999. So students, as we observe the options carefully, in A we have 229 but in question we have 231. So it's an incorrect option. 231 by 900, again it's a 231 we have in a question, so B is also incorrect. Let's check 231 by 1000 and D 231 by 999. So proceed with the solution. The vulgar fractions are called the improper fraction also, whose denominator is bigger than the numerator. On solving 0.231 means converting into fraction, we got 231 by 1000, that is option C. Question number 3. What fraction of the figure is shaded? So students, here you need to find the fraction of the shaded part to the total parts. Let's check in the solution. Now here we have divided the whole image into 4 parts, that is small square, small circle, big square and big circle. Here we can see all image is divided into 8 parts, out of which 3 are shaded. Now let's find the solution, means correct answer with the help of option given. Here 1 divided by 1 by 4. When we are converting divide to multiplication, we got final answer 4. Similarly with the other options like 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 8 by 3. Now let's try to eliminate the incorrect options. In A we have 4 but we need total 8 parts. So A got eliminated. And in the D part also there are total 3 parts, that is wrong. So let's check between the option B and C. Here we have total 8 parts. Yes, and you can see we have total 8 parts and in all image 3 are shaded, that is resembles with the option B. So option B will be the correct answer. Question number 4. How many more unit square in the figure must be shaded so that fraction of the shaded square is 7 by 9? Options are A 1, B 3, C 6, D 8. Now first of all you need to count all the boxes, means shaded plus unshaded. Let's check in the solution. So total boxes are 18 here. Now let's x be the shaded square to make it equivalent to the given fraction, that is 7 by 9. On equalizing and cross multiplying, we got x is equal to 14. Here out of 14, 6 are already shaded, like we can see in the picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, that is option D. Question number 5. Find the value of P if this expression is given. Now you need to arrange all the numbers in the column wise And on applying transposing method means take all the numbers on the right hand side and p on the left hand side. And on solving we got p is equal to 191.61. So students, you can pause the video and cross check your solution. So here D is the correct option. Question number 6. Evaluate this expression and find the correct option. So let's check in the solution. As in the solution, you can see that in the numerator we have a mixed fraction. First of all, convert into a simple fractions, and in the denominator apply board mass, means divide the numbers first. And on solving we are getting, let's check in the third step, we getting 39 minus 62 plus 40 by 12 divided by 0.5. On solving we got at the last 2 5 by 6, that is option A. Question number 7. The value of a fraction is dash if the denominator of the fraction is increased while the numerator is kept the same. Options are increases, decreases, remain the same, and can't be determined. Let's assume numerator be 7 and denominator is like 2, 3, 4. So mathematically 7 by 2 is 3.5, 7 by 3 is 2.9, and 7 by 4 is 1.7. So we can see that mathematically the value of the fraction is decreasing. So you can assume the example of pizza. If we have a 4 slices and we all are 4 friends, we will get 4 by 4, like 1 slices each. But what if one more friend will join us, means we have total 5 now. So 4 by 5. The overall fraction is decreasing, means we are going to get the small portion of the pizza. So here option B will be the correct answer, means decreases. Question number 8. When 40,257 is divided by 213, the quotient is 189. So what will be the quotient when 40.257 is divided by 0.0189? So options are 21,300, 213, 1,890 and 2,130. So students, here let's check in the solution. When we will see the answer according to question, 40,257 divided by 213, answer is 189, means quotient is 189. So you need to find for these numbers. Now on removing the decimal, we got 40,257 by 189 that from 1, that is 213 into 10. So overall answer is 2,130, that is option D. Question number 9. Which of the following is not equal to this all numbers? So students, here you need to count the number of decimals. Here in the question we have a total number of decimal 9. Let's check in the option A. We have a total number of decimal places 9. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly in the B option we have 9. In the C we have 9. But let's check in the option D. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So option D will be the correct answer. Question number 10. The value of this expression is A 2 by 3, B 37 1 by 2, C 3 by 2 and D 18 3 by 8. Let's check in the solution and we'll see step by step. Like in the 1 plus 1 by 2, if we will solve we get 3 by 2, and in the denominator we are getting 1 by 2 divided 4 by 7, and on solving bracket we are getting 4 plus 3 divided by 10 off, and again we will solve this bracket, we are getting overall 5. Now on applying all the board mass steps, at the end we are getting 3 by 2, that is option C. Dear students, keep practicing as practice can make anyone perfect. Don't forget to share with your friends because sharing is caring.